In today's video, I'm taking you through 5 of the best websites where you can make money online every single day. These platforms are beginner-friendly, and I'll explain everything in detail, so even if you're new to making money online, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with making money today. Website 1. Let's start with Fiverr. This website is a great bridge to starting your own business. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can offer your skills and services to clients from all around the world. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or even a voiceover artist, Fiverr is the perfect place to get paid for your specific services. Here's how it works. First, you need to create an account on Fiverr. This is straightforward and free. Head over to the Fiverr website and click on the Join button. You'll be asked to enter your email address, choose a username, and create a password. After that, Fiverr will send you a verification email, so make sure to check your inbox and click the link to activate your account. Once your account is set up, the next step is to create your profile. Your profile is where you tell potential clients about your skills and what you can offer. It's super important to take your time with this part because your profile is basically your online resume. Be clear and concise about your skills, and don't forget to add a professional-looking profile picture. After setting up your profile, you'll create your first gig. A gig is a service you offer on Fiverr. For example, if you're a writer, your gig could be, I will write a 500-word blog post on any topic. When you're creating your gig, you'll be asked to write a title, select a category, and describe your service in detail. You'll also set the pricing. Fiverr lets you create packages, for example, a basic, standard, and premium package, each with different levels of service and pricing. It's important to note that Fiverr takes a 20% commission on all transactions, so keep that in mind when you're setting your prices. Once your gig is live, it's time to start promoting it. Fiverr does offer some organic traffic, but to increase your chances of getting orders, you should share your gig on social media and other platforms. When a client orders your gig, you'll get a notification from Fiverr. You'll then complete the work and deliver it through Fiverr's platform. The client will review your work, and if they're happy, they'll mark the order as complete. Fiverr will hold the payment for 14 days to make sure the client is happy, after which the funds will be released to your Fiverr account. From there, you can withdraw your earnings to your bank account via PayPal or direct deposit. Now let's talk about how much you can earn on Fiverr. Earnings can vary widely depending on your skills, the demand for your services, and how well you market your gigs. Some beginners might only earn a few dollars per order at first, but as you get positive reviews and experience, you can raise your prices and take on more complex projects. Some top sellers on Fiverr make thousands of dollars a month, but it's important to start with realistic expectations and focus on building a strong portfolio. Website 2. Next, let's move on to Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a popular platform where you can earn money by taking online surveys. This site is perfect if you're looking for something straightforward and easy to do in your spare time. The process is simple. Companies want to know your opinions on products, services, and a bunch of different topics, and they're willing to pay for it. To get started, head over to the Survey Junkie website and sign up. The registration process is quick, needing only basic information like your name, email address, and demographic details. Once your account is set up, you'll be asked to complete your profile by answering a few questions about yourself. This helps Survey Junkie match you with surveys that are relevant to your interests and background. After completing your profile, you can start taking surveys. You'll see a list of available surveys on your dashboard, along with the estimated time to complete each one and the number of points you'll earn. On Survey Junkie, 100 points equal $1, and most surveys pay between 100 and 500 points, depending on the length and complexity. When you reach 500 points, which is equivalent to $5, you can redeem your earnings. Survey Junkie offers different redemption options, including PayPal, bank transfer, and gift cards. One thing to keep in mind is that not every survey will be available to you. Some surveys might need specific demographics or interests, so you might get disqualified from time to time. But the platform has a large number of surveys, so there are always opportunities to earn. To make the most of Survey Junkie, make sure to check the site regularly and take surveys as soon as they become available. Surveys can fill up quickly, so being proactive will help you earn more. While you won't get rich taking surveys, it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time. especially if you enjoy sharing your opinions. Website 3. Another great option for making money online is Revan. Rev is a transcription service that pays you to convert audio files into text. This is perfect for people who have good listening and typing skills and prefer working from the comfort of their own home. To get started with Rev, you need to visit their website and apply as a freelancer. The application process involves taking a short grammar test and completing a sample transcription. Rev uses this test to assess your skills, so make sure to proofread your work carefully before submitting it. Once you're approved, you can start working on transcription jobs. Rev offers a wide range of audio files to transcribe, including interviews, podcasts, and video captions. You can choose which files you want to work on, giving you flexibility in your schedule. Rev pays per audio minute, meaning you're paid based on the length of the audio file, not the time it takes you to transcribe it. On average, Rev pays 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute depending on the complexity of the file. To do well as a Rev transcriptionist, it's important to have a quiet workspace and good headphones, as this will help you accurately transcribe the audio. You'll also need to be familiar with punctuation and grammar rules, as Rev expects high-quality transcriptions. Rev pays weekly via PayPal, making it a great option if you're looking for a steady stream of income. While transcription work can be time-consuming, it's a reliable way to earn money online, especially if you're fast and accurate. Website 4. Now let's talk about Prolific. Prolific is a research platform that pays you to participate in academic studies. These studies are conducted by researchers from universities and organizations, and they cover a wide range of topics, from psychology to social science. To get started with Prolific, you need to create an account on their website and complete your profile. The more detailed your profile, the more likely you are to be matched with relevant studies. Once your profile is set up, you'll be notified of available studies that match your demographic. Each study will show you the estimated time to complete it and how much you'll be paid. Payments on Prolific are generally higher than on traditional survey sites, with most studies paying between $6 and $12 per hour. Once you complete a study, the payment is credited to your Prolific account, and you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal once you reach the minimum payout threshold of around $7. One of the great things about Prolific is that you rarely get disqualified from studies, unlike other survey sites. This means you can consistently earn money for your time. To make the most of this site, make sure to keep an eye on your email notifications and participate in studies as soon as they become available, as spots can fill up quickly. Website 5. Finally, let's talk about Honeygain. Honeygain is a unique platform that lets you earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It might sound strange, but it's a legitimate way to make passive income. Here's how it works. Companies need a large amount of internet bandwidth to run different services, and Honeygain allows you to sell your excess bandwidth to them. To get started, you'll need to sign up on the Honeygain website and download the app on your devices. The more devices you have running the app, the more you can earn. After installing the app, Honeygain will use your internet connection when you're not using it, allowing you to earn credits. You'll earn $1 for every 10 GB of data you share, and most users make around $30 to $50 per month. When you reach $20 in earnings, you can cash out via PayPal. Honeygain is perfect if you have unlimited internet plans or don't use much of your plan, and don't mind sharing some of your bandwidth in exchange for passive income. I know I've covered such different sites today, but that's because I want you to know just how many opportunities are out there right now for you to make money online. Which of these websites have you tried or would you like to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.